Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain the HyperX Cloud Alpha headset. This popular gaming headset is known for its innovative design and strong performance. We will dive into its key features, including the unique dual-chamber drivers that enhance sound clarity. You will also learn about its exceptional comfort, making it ideal for long gaming marathons, and its robust construction built to last. Let's explore what makes this headset a favorite among gamers. The HyperX Cloud Alpha truly shines in its sound quality, thanks to its innovative dual-chamber drivers. These 50mm drivers are engineered to separate the bass frequencies from the mid-range and highs, significantly reducing distortion. This results in a cleaner, smoother, and more accurate audio experience, whether you are gaming or listening to music. The headset boasts an impressive frequency response from 13 Hz to 27 kHz, delivering rich lows and crisp highs. Its wider soundstage also aids in precise spatial positioning, giving you an edge in competitive play. Comfort is paramount for any gaming headset, and the HyperX Cloud Alpha excels here. It features signature HyperX memory foam ear cushions, covered in soft, premium leatherette, providing luxurious comfort for even the longest gaming sessions. The over-ear design ensures a snug yet gentle fit. Beyond comfort, the headset boasts a durable aluminum frame, offering exceptional stability and resilience. Weighing approximately 336 grams with the microphone and cable, its robust construction is built to withstand the rigors of daily use, ensuring it lasts for years. For team communication, the HyperX Cloud Alpha includes a detachable, noise-canceling boom microphone. This microphone delivers good recording quality, ensuring your voice sounds clear to your teammates. It is also Discord and TeamSpeak certified, guaranteeing reliable performance in voice chat applications. The headset offers broad multi-platform compatibility, connecting easily via a 3.5mm jack to PCs, consoles, and mobile devices. In conclusion, the HyperX Cloud Alpha stands out for its excellent sound, superior comfort, and durable build, making it a fantastic choice for serious gamers seeking a high-quality wired headset.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.